from this and then that and then finally this. Just from one installation. I know, that's crazy, right? So yeah, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am transforming my hair again. And these locks have gone through a lot. If they were to talk, they will say they have gone through quite a lot. I know I did the long locks and then I did a blunt cut bob with bangs, and then now I am transforming these locks again. And I enjoyed each and every hairstyle. I just couldn't couldn't stay away from transforming them over and over because I knew I could do it. I could do a lot of hairstyles just from one installation. If you like what you see, if you like my content, please let me know in the comments section below, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. Okay. And make sure to comment below and let me know what kind of content you want to watch more of on this channel. Let me know. Let's have a conversation. That would be really nice. Okay, so yeah, you can see what I'm doing. I'm unraveling the locks, and the result, ta-da! An Afro textured hairstyle. If I am to pick a favorite, it will have to be this one. As much as I enjoyed each and every one of them, I enjoyed this one the most. Like the fullness and how the hair was glowing, the white was just, doing the most, and I enjoyed it so much. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.